I'm Miss Garner. I'm your 6th grade assistant principal.
I'm Mrs. Hurst, your 7th grade assistant principal.
I'm Mr. Milok. I'm your 8th grade assistant principal.
And I'm Miss Perkins. I'm your principal.
The administration at Webb Middle School wants to make sure that everyone has a wonderful year. A year full of amazing learning, fun, and friendship. So today, we want to introduce you to the Webb Way.
One way we exemplify excellence is by showing respect. And by respect, I mean treating others as we would like to be treated. Being kind to others, showing compassion, thinking and acting in a positive way. Smiling and greeting one another, saying hello in the hallway, saying thank you and please, yes ma'am and no ma'am to one another. We also show respect to our peers, our teachers, any staff member in our building, our custodians, visitors in our building, any guest that walks into our building. Webb Middle School becomes your second family. You are the most important piece of our school, and we expect you to take ownership in Webb Bridge. We want to create a very positive environment where you have respect for our community, for every single person in this building, and respect for yourself. So I want you to ask yourself these 3 things. Am I being kind? Am I being nice? Am I being helpful? If you can answer yes to those 3 things, then you are demonstrating respect. And you are exemplifying excellence, showing the E3 and the Webb Bridge Way.
Another way that we exemplify the Webb Way is through citizenship. Citizenship includes participating positively and with integrity. Integrity is defined as being strong enough to do what you know is right. This means choosing to do the right thing even when it's difficult. Another way that we demonstrate citizenship is by using appropriate technology. Our teachers have worked tirelessly to create engaging lessons both with and without the use of technology, so that we ask that you participate appropriately and follow the requests of your teachers with regards to technology. We also ask that you clean up after yourselves. Our custodians have worked all summer long to ensure that our building is looking its best and ready for you, so the highest levels of teaching and learning can take place. In order to keep it this way, all of us need to work together to clean up after ourselves and one another in the classrooms, in the hallways, and in the cafeteria. If we do this, we will ensure that our facility is in tip-top shape. We are also excited for you to participate in clubs and activities that we offer here at Webb Middle School. Research shows that by participating in 2 or more extracurricular activities, you are more likely to be successful both academically and socially. Additional information regarding all of our offerings will be shared via the Jaguar Morning News and also at Curriculum Night.
Good morning, students. Today, I'm going to talk about responsibility a little bit. In the middle school, one of the most important things about responsibility is keeping your hands to yourself in middle school. Another responsibility in middle school is not starting rumors or talking about people in a bad way. The more responsible everyone is in the building, the better the school year will be. Another component of this year's responsibility is students always having a hall pass. This year, we will have 2 types of passes. A simple hall pass for the restroom or to go get a drink of water, which will be on a lanyard. If you're going to leave your hallway, you will use your agenda. Miss Perkins?
Yes,
May I please use the restroom?
of course. Go ahead and just sign out and then take the pass.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yes, Mike.
Miss Perkins, I'm not having a good day. May I please go see Miss Ramsey?
Of course. Go ahead and fill out your agenda and I'll sign it and you can be on your way. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you, Miss Perkins. Another part of responsibility of a middle schooler is listening to adults. If an adult asks you a reasonable direction, please follow the direction. It may be as simple as, can you please pick up that piece of paper? You may not have placed the paper on the floor, but pick up the paper. It's a part of being a good citizen and being a young, responsible adult. Place it in the recycling bin or the trash can, whichever is near, and move on with your day. Michelle, can you please pick up that piece of paper on the floor?
Are you kidding me? I'm not picking that up.
That is not the Webb way.
Morning, Mr. Milak.
Morning. Carmen, can you please pick up that piece of paper on the floor?
Yes, sir, Mr. Milak.
Now that's the Webb way. Another important component of responsibility is being ready to learn. Students, once you enter the classroom door, for that 50 minutes, you need to be tuned in to whatever the lesson may be. Teachers will have the essential question posted on the board as you enter. Please prepare, get ready. You may use your device. They may have other directions. Follow the directions and be ready to learn once the bell rings.
Okay, so as we talk about using unit price in our daily life, I've got an example here of Publix versus Kroger. So if we have 60 cents per pound for bananas at Publix, can somebody tell me how much that would be for 3 pounds? So Michelle, could you tell me how much I would pay for 3 pounds of bananas at Publix?
What? Bananas? I don't even like bananas. I'm trying to send this Snapchat to my friend. I'm allergic to bananas. I'll just copy my friend's homework tonight and figure it out, Miss Hurst.
That's not the Webb way. Okay, so as we talk about using unit price in our daily life, I've got an example here of Publix versus Kroger. So if we have 60 cents per pound for bananas at Publix, can somebody tell me how much that would be for 3 pounds? Yes, Mike.
Yes, Miss Hurst. I know what the price of bananas would be at Publix. You would set up 3 times 0.60, and that would equal $1.80. However, if you were to go to Kroger, you would use the same ratio and set up 3 times 0.5, and that would be $1.50. You would save 30 cents by shopping at Kroger.
Thank you, Mike, for demonstrating the Webb way.
The wonderful thing about the Webb way is that it focuses on what you should do rather than what you should not do. Every day we all make choices. When we make poor choices, we have to accept some negative consequences. But most of the time we make good choices and we're able to reap the rewards. At Webb Middle School, we expect you to exhibit the Webb way through respect and citizenship as well as responsibility. And when you do, we're here to reward you, sometimes as individuals, other times as a class, and even as an entire grade level. We look forward to watching you exhibit the Webb way every day. Go Jaguars!